Meanwhile, the Senate followed their colleagues in the lower house and extended the SOEs in Clarendon and St. Catherine until October 19. But opposition senators maintain that the measure is not an effective crime-fighting tool. Details from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
I'm going to stay, and I'm going to vote one last day time for an extension of the state of emergency.
Opposition Senator Lambert Brown making his position clear. But for the leader of government business, the SOEs are needed. Kamina Johnson-Smith pointed to the over 250 murders in Clarendon and St. Catherine from January to September 5.
Cumulatively, the combined geographical space, that is St. Catherine and Clarendon, accounted for almost 1/3 of murders in the country since the start of the year. 14 days, quite simply, is not enough time to take a hold of the criminality that has become entrenched in certain areas.
She indicated that the SOEs have saved lives, and so far, 135 persons have been arrested in Clarendon and St. Catherine. For opposition Senator Floyd Morris, he wanted to yawn during Mrs. Johnson-Smith's presentation, but the senator, who is also blind, said he resisted the urge.
I listened to the presentation of the leader of government business in which she tried to convince herself that the state of emergency is working. And when I looked at her facial expression, I knew that she was unconvinced. But equally the body language of the supportive cast was unconvincing.
To support that claim from his colleague, Mr. Brown used statistics, pointing to fewer guns being seized.
Guns seized last year, 507. Guns seized this year, 484. The guns have not been removed under the state of emergency. When it comes to arrests, last year there's 9,978 arrests for the same period. This year, arrests down by over 600 to 9,329. It's not working. It's going in the wrong direction.
And when the debate ended, the SOEs in Clarendon and St. Catherine were extended until October 19. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.